You always use smart key almost the whole life of your car. But one day, something bad happened. Your smart key is dead, so you need to use your idiot key. I'm going to show you how to use your idiot key, and you don't need to be smart. Your idiot key is stick together with smart key. It'd only be useful when the smart key is dead. First, you need to pull out the idiot key from the smart key by holding the open trigger button and pull it out like this. It looks so handsome. Next step, you walk to your car front left door. You will see the key hole. Put the idiot key in and twist to right side. Nice. Now it is unlocked. Open the door and finding the smart keyhole. It is right below the steering wheel. Here it is. Next, put your dead smart key into the hole and start the engine like you do normally. Gray. It works. If your engine is turned on, you cannot pull out the dead smart key. You need to stop the engine to pull it out. Good job. You can do it. In the end, you need to go out and lock your car with idiot key. Twist the idiot key to left side. It will lock your car. Try to open all doors to make sure it is locked. Thanks.